Hey, what's up, people? Just checking in again, man. About to put some fish on the grill. Was out in Big Sur last weekend, man, and got lucky. Caught some rockfish, so I'm cooking the last little bit of that so I can go and peel it off the bone and use it in some soup. But yep, it's on my mind again, so I thought I'd check in. Talking to all my traders, man, all my friends out there that trade. I mean, I'm a trader also, or I'm a stock market enthusiast. I'm no longer a trader because, for real, like everybody else, I went through moments where I had some small wins, but I went through moments where I almost lost my shirt trading stock. But one thing that I didn't know, and I bet that a lot of y'all don't know, a lot of you stock traders, a lot of y'all don't know, or a lot of the ground level civilian stock traders like myself. Like, one thing I'm sure y'all don't know, because I didn't know it, and I've been studying this stuff for years. Man, do y'all know that market makers and retail traders, okay, market makers, let me start with them. Market makers are the people that create the bid-ask spreads that we input for trades. I thought all the market makers were in New York or on the stock market or right up there on the NYSE, right? But that's not true. Market makers are in your brokerage firm. I don't know who you use to trade, whether it's Charles Schwab, Fidelity, Trade Station, you know what I'm saying, whoever. But those are the market makers. So those are the people that make money off you the minute you take a trade, the minute you hit buy or sell. They make an immediate profit off you. So the market makers really got a lot of room to get money off of us. And they do. They do. I did not know that. I thought the market makers were people that made the markets in New York or that made the bid-ask spreads. I thought all of them were in New York, but they're not. The market makers work for your brokerage firm. They work against you in your brokerage firm. Then retail traders. Here's another one. Okay. The way I've heard the term, the way I've learned the term, the way I've used the term, the way I've heard others use the term, I consider myself a retail trader. But I guess the truth is I'm an individual trader. Retail traders are also traders that work at your brokerage firm. They are the people trading against you. Like whoever you use, though. You know what I'm saying? Fidelity, Charles Schwab, Trade Station, Trade Desk, or all of the brokerage firms that are out there, because it's thousands of them. But they call the people that trade, because you got institutional traders, people that trade with and against the institutions. You got all that stuff. But people that trade against the individuals like us, individual civilians, those people are called retail traders because they trade against people on the retail side. So the minute you put in a trade, there are people in the brokerage firm that you work for betting against you, taking the other side of that trade. Again, I'm just going, I don't even know how to put it into words. I'm just going through my studies of the market and how it works, because at some point you have to realize that's what you got to learn, how the market actually works, to know where you fit in and know how you can trade. At any rate, yeah, it's a silly feeling to have or to know. But yeah, retail traders are the ones trading against us. Anyway, I just had that epiphany, thought I'd holler at y'all about market makers and retail traders. when people say retail traders, they don't mean us. They might say that in a sense, and I guess we could be classified as people that trade on the retail sector on the low level. But no, they're talking about people that trade against us, retail traders. Anyway, I'll be back later, man. Let me get this fish grilled. But I was just thinking about that. You got to really know how the market works in order to make money out of it, in order to consistently make money out of it. And a lot of people don't know how it really works. A lot of us got terms confused. And the people teaching it to us, that's a whole nother video on that. Because a lot of people that's teaching you how to trade, they get kickbacks from the brokerage firms that they tell you to use. And that's a trip too, from the order flow. The very people that you pay to teach you how to trade turn around and get a kickback from the brokerage firms that they tell you to use, that they taught you how to trade on. Just food for thought, man. A lot of y'all probably didn't know it. Well, I don't say probably. 99% of y'all definitely didn't know it. And that's what I'm finding out. At any rate, stay tuned. I'll be back on another one. This is just a short stock talk. Let me get my food done, man. Cousin Leon, I'm up.